Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be the best drugstore highlighters. So I'm kind of doing this new series on my channel where I kind of do like the best drugstore, the best like high-end makeup. I did drugstore foundation and high-end foundation. You guys seem to really love the high-end foundation. No, the drugstore foundation, sorry. You guys seem to really love that. So I figured I would kind of keep this series on with the drugstore stuff. So I have my little container here of all drugstore highlighters, liquid and powder, that I think are amazing and so worth it. And honestly, for the price, you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. In this little container here, I have powder highlights and liquid highlights to share with you guys that I think are so amazing for the price. Obviously, it's drugstore and it's drugstore. I'm gonna start off with liquid products because there's only two. Liquid highlighters are my favorite personally. They just give you such a nice healthy glow, luminous look to the skin. So I have two I want to share with you guys. First one is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo, and this is in the shade, or in the color, Gilded Glow. I love this liquid highlighter. I've used it before on my channel. It has that nice like doe applicator. Okay, focus. Just gives your skin the prettiest glow ever. They have different shades and I use this one specifically in the summertime. Like I did with the drugstore foundations and high-end foundations, I will link videos down below where I'm using these products because I know that I've used a few of them a bit on my channel, so I'll find videos for those. But I've used this so many times on my channel. This is gorgeous. It's not that it's super blinding. It is like a blinding highlight, like on that kind of side. But it kind of gives you also that nice, natural, healthy glow to the skin. Like the glow from within type of feel, but also kind of being a little bit more on the blinder side. But this is amazing. Really, I highly recommend checking it out. The next liquid highlighter, you guys should already guess what it is because if you watch my channel in my makeup videos, you guys know I probably use this so many times on my channel, but it is just the e.l.f. liquid highlighter. I don't know what shade this is in because it doesn't say on the packaging, but it's just a nice squeezy tube, and you guys know this is my heart and soul, and I've used this for a while. Oh, the shade, sorry, it doesn't say the shade. The shade isn't illuminating, so that was simple. But I love this. I've used this so many times on my channel. I think it's such an amazing product. I think it's such an amazing liquid highlighter. I believe it was like $3, maybe $4. e.l.f. you can't beat. They have some really good stuff, some hidden gems, and this is one of them. And this just gives you such a nice healthy glow, but also kind of leaving it more on the natural side. So if you just want to put this on like your cheeks with no makeup, go for it. It's gonna make you look so healthy and dewy and glowy, and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of have highlighter on right now, and that is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. You guys know I love this product. I've used this a lot of times on my channel. It's such a nice, healthy, natural glow. It's very subtle and natural. As you can tell, I kind of build it up, but I have a video where you can see how natural it is. But I use this all the time. I don't even have any like foundation, no concealer, nothing, and I just put some highlight on for the sake of the video, and it looks so natural. I love this. I haven't even hit pan yet, which I'm surprised, but because I use this all the time, and I believe this was around $2 or $3 as well, so super inexpensive. Such a great formula, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls, and this little guy has been through it. There's a bunch of scrape marks. Now, I love this highlighter. It is so gorgeous. It goes on your skin like butter. It just is such a nice highlight, but the problem is you have to scrape off the first layer in order to get the pigment. So there must be like a waxy layer on top, or like a coated layer to like keep it nice, I guess. So if you just take like a bobby pin or something and just scrape the first layer off, then you'll really get the pigmentation that you should get. Next up, we have the Colorpop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized Highlighter in Flexitarian. Now I picked this up at my local Ulta and I love it. I've used this before also on my channel. This is such a great drugstore price, but Colorpop has some really good pigmentations. I love their formulas. Everything of theirs is just so creamy and buttery, and this highlight is gorgeous. Again, it's like that Prosecco champagne color, not more on the like champagne orange side, but more of like that Prosecco color, you know. I guess it's a champagne color. I'm thinking of champagne pop, which is like orangey, but this is more of like that Prosecco. So I love this. This is such a nice like golden highlight with a little bit of like silver undertone. It makes your cheeks look gorgeous. Next up, I have some Wet n Wild powder highlights I want to share with you guys. So we have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the crown of my canopy, and then Wet n Wild highlighter in Boozy Brunch. Boozy Brunch is an OG in the YouTube world. Like, everyone raved about it, everyone talks about it. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. I don't know if you can still find it in stores. I think I found this once at like Albertsons or something, but you can always order it online if they still have it. I hope they do. I will have to check for you guys and I'll leave it linked down below. But this is such a nice gold highlight and it's so creamy and buttery. The formula is amazing and it has so much pigmentation to it. It's incredible. All of their Mega Glows are honestly so pretty. I love them. This is crown of my canopy, so it is that more gold with a little bit of pink undertone. I think it's gorgeous. Again, very buttery, creamy, such a good formula. Great for the price. They're around $4 or so, so you can't beat that. And there's another one that's really popular. It's like that gold color, but I forgot the name of it. But all of these Mega Glow highlighters are so good. I think actually all of Wet n Wild's highlighters are so good, like even their liquid and their powder. So they have some really good products for highlighting. Last but not least, I saved the best for last. This is probably the best drugstore highlighter on the market. And can you guys guess what it is? It is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. Now this highlighter, guys, is incredible. Every YouTuber raves about it. The pigmentation is unreal. Like, if you want a blinding highlight, this is your baby right here, okay? The pigmentation of this bad boy is insane. The formula is so buttery. It glides right on. I have a video using this highlighter and it's just amazing. So I'll leave that video link down below, like I said, but this is probably the best formula at the drugstore. Best highlight, everyone raves about it, and this one is a little bit more pricier than all of the rest. I believe this one's about $10 or $11, or maybe $9 to $10, but it's so worth it. Honestly, I think that this is one of the best highlighters to ever hit the drugstore. I love this. I just can't get over it. Obviously, you guys saw some swatches, hand swatches of it, but this is amazing. So that completes my best drugstore highlighters, liquid and powder. I hope you guys really enjoy. If you guys have any other drugstore highlighters that you love, definitely leave me a comment down below, because I'm always trying to find some new drugstore products, especially in the highlight world. I feel like it is hard to find some good stuff at the drugstore, so definitely leave me recommendations down below. If you want to see more of these little series videos, definitely also give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, follow my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!